Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share the effective and easiest way to bake cake without using oven. Here are two popular options: stovetop baking and microwave baking. About stove baking, you may check on my channel or click the card above. Microwave baking. Microwaving a cake is quick and easy, but the texture might be slightly different from oven-baked cakes. Nevertheless, it's a great option if you don't have access to an oven. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil or melted butter, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the oil, or melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until you have a smooth batter. Grease a microwave-safe baking dish or a microwave-safe cake mold with some oil or butter. Pour the cake batter into the greased dish, spreading it evenly. Place the dish in the microwave and cook on medium power, 50–70%, for about 5 minutes. Check the cake's doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs, the cake is ready. If the cake is not fully cooked, continue microwaving in 1-minute intervals until done. Once the cake is cooked, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Remember, stovetop and microwave baking might result in a slightly denser and moister cake compared to oven-baked cakes, but they're still delicious alternatives when an oven is not available. Enjoy your homemade cake. If you found this video useful, then tell us in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.